Yuji, it's always great to see you. We've known each other for a long time.
Now I'm finally very confident that I have a device that takes out all the thrombus.
Come and join us at Charing Cross, Europe's largest vascular access masterclass. I'm Nick Inston, it's my co-chair.
Kate Steiner, please come and join us for a full day's discussion on dialysis access, including the latest in research.
Shiploads of wall stents.
I think we are actually as surprised as you are on the fact that such a low proportion of the patients had continuous statin treatment.
Aortic's a very important part of the Charing Cross. What have we got to look forward to?